Now, some of the Moscow Mule recipes require a shaker. And for that, we have the special version, the Moscow Mule Shaker 3-piece gift set. So let me show you what this comes with. Open up the box here. It comes with our tableware melody copper hammered mug. In fact, it comes with 2 of them. And as I mentioned before, matching cocktail shaker. So you pour your ingredients in there, shake like a pro, and make a perfect Moscow Mule. Now we're going to show you how to make a pineapple Moscow Mule, sort of that tropical flavor. Of course, you're going to need vodka. Once again, we're using Smirnoff, but any vodka will do, whatever you prefer. You're going to need pineapple juice. You're going to need lime juice. Now you could squeeze your own lime if you like, but we're going to show you this time using prepared lime juice. And of course, ginger beer, like every Moscow Mule. So get your ingredients ready and let's start mixing. Like every Moscow Mule, you start off by getting things nice and cold. So we're going to put some ice into our shaker. I'd say about half full will do the trick. This is harder than it looks. Okay, I think we've got it there. I'll show you what that looks like. About half full. Okay, now we've got our jigger. We're going to start off with our vodka. It's going to take 2 ounces of vodka. One, 2. Next, our pineapple juice. Better shake it up a little bit, because sometimes the pineapple juice sort of settles down in the bottom. Okay, 2 ounces of pineapple juice. 1, 2. All set there. Now, just in case you're wondering, we're not going to put the ginger beer in yet. It's going to be after we shake things up. Okay, lime juice, go light on this. We only use half an ounce of lime juice. Pour that off nice and neat. There we go. Okay, now comes the fun part, shaking. So, put one hand up here like this, your thumb on top, the other hand like this, baby finger in the bottom, and shake, shake, shake. You can dance a little bit while you do this if you like. It's a good idea to have some music in the background. Whew, that's cold on the hands. Okay, now we're ready. Let's get our mugs ready. Now we've got to get our mug ready. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to put ice in there. That's the beauty of these copper mugs. They get really cold. Okay, let's start off about halfway in our tableware melody copper mug. And we're going to pour our mix in. Been sitting here. Now, time to add our ginger beer. About 5 ounces. I think that's about right. And we're going to top this baby off with some more ice. Well, let's stir it first. It's going to stir a little bit easier if we do that before we add the ice. That ought to do it. And get ice nice and full. Like every Moscow Mule, you want the ice up to the top. Okay, we're going to top this off with some nice pineapple wedges. Maybe one more. Doesn't that look beautiful? And don't forget, We need our special matching copper straw. What do you think? Should we give it a taste? I think so. Ah, I can just hear the sea roaring in the background. I feel like I'm sitting on the beach in Hawaii. Try the Pineapple Moscow Mule.